Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to change account type in your Windows 11 PC or laptops. So you just need to follow me. So firstly you just need to right click on your start menu, click on settings. After open settings window you just need to select here accounts from your left side, and on your right side you will get one option is called other users. So click on that and here you will get all your users. So from here you can change your account type. As you can see, you can change it to standard or administrator. And the next step is you just need to go to your start menu or search menu and type over here net pl reach. After that press enter from your keyboard. After put this command and you will get here all your user accounts. So you just need to select that account which you want to change and go to properties, and if you go group membership, here you can see all type of users over here like standard user, administrator and other, and from here you can change your account type. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any quiz or question then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.